Coordinations is a brand new approach to cardstock. As you would expect from a premium cardstock range, each heavyweight page is made of the highest quality acid and lignin-free paper and has a luxurious textured finish, perfect for card making and scrapbooking. However, that's where the similarities end. Beneath the surface of each sheet is a core colour in a tonal contrasting shade, indicated by the colour strip on each sheet. You can reveal the colour beneath by sanding, tearing or antiquing to give added hue, depth and interest to all your projects. Try these simple techniques to get the most from Coordinations. Tear the cardstock towards you to reveal the gorgeous coloured core. Try rolling the edges of torn Coordinations card for even more depth. Sand the edges of the cardstock or all over the surface to add extra definition or for a vintage or shabby chic look. Try crumpling the card and then sand the peaks to give a great distressed look. The card works perfectly with embossed designs. Simply sand over the raised sections to give extra definition to your projects. Coordinations card is available as single sheets or in 20 sheet multi-packs, each with 4 toning colours. Also available is the stunning and unique Black Magic collection. Each sheet in the range has a dark secret. The textured black surface of each sheet conceals a wonderful vivid colour beneath. With a little tearing, sanding or antiquing, you can uncover these stunning shades. Each sheet also has the same coordinating shade on the reverse, for a perfect match for layering in your projects. Try it and you'll discover the magic. Black Magic is available in 4 assorted packs, each featuring 20 stunning shades. Coordinations Colour Core Cardstock and Black Magic is available in-store now. For inspiring project ideas, visit www.docrafts.co.uk.